Hi guys watching YouTube, it's Kamo here. Cool Japan Anime Kanji, November 2020. What is the latest craze in Japan? You know that? Demon Slayer. In Japan, I can hear the word Demon Slayer every day, every time. From TV shows, YouTube, magazines, internet articles. Demon Slayer. This is the hottest trendy anime in Japan anyway. I guess you all Japanese anime fans crazy for Demon Slayer too, aren't you? So today, how to express Demon Slayer in Japanese alphabet kanji and how to write that. By this video lesson, you can learn some Japanese words and how to write Demon Slayer in Japanese cool kanji. When you got the skill, you can paint the title of Demon Slayer in Japanese kanji on your iPhone. Oh my god, it's so cool. On my YouTube channel, I upload videos about Japan or Japanese studying. Thanks for subscribing to my channel and like my video. Alright, let's start today's Kamo lesson. Firstly, Demon Slayer in Japanese. I guess so many people already know the pronunciation kimetsunoyaiba. Then, express in Japanese kanji here. Let's check all kanji. This kanji read ki, but when we Japanese found this kanji, usually we read this kanji oni. Oni is a kind of yokai, demon, ogre, or troll in Japanese folktale. Next kanji. This kanji means destroy, so kimetsu means destroy demon. Last kanji. This means blade or sword. In Demon Slayer, some characters have Japanese katana sword, kimetsunoyaiba, blade or sword to destroy demons. Japanese title, I think, just want to express heroes destroy or kill the demons by special sword. And the English title, Demon Slayer. Simply, this means the people who kill or destroy demons. There's a little difference, but same roughly. Let's write this title. Okay, you should be fine now. Try to write cool kanji on your anything you want. Kanji is not easy but not too difficult. I want you to keep practice. If you have any requests, leave some comments for this video. I can't reply to all, but I check them all. Don't forget subscribing to my channel and like my video. That's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you next